Hi everyone, and thanks for joining me today. I am here with some journal kits that I have available and will be up in my Etsy shop if they don't sell before that. I have 4 kits to sell, and they are £20 a kit. That's including postage to the UK. If you're outside of the UK, then just let me know where you live and I'll see how much it will cost. So these are the insides of the kit, so let me just put these to one side. Now there is a choice of 4 as far as the covers, so there are 4 sets here, and with each kit you get 2 pieces of fabric, so theoretically you can make 2 journals if you want to, or you can make 1 journal and then use the inside for a fabric flap or a tag to coordinate. So these are the covers, so you will get 2 pieces that are large enough to do a TN or a full size journal. So you'll get a flowered piece and a stripy piece, and they obviously coordinate. So this will be pack 1 covers. Now the insides of the packs have various book pages and other elements in there which will vary because but each pack will get an element of each thing in each pack, but it's just the front covers you can pick. So this is number 1 for the front covers, number 1. This one is number set 2, which you get this gorgeous leaf design, and then you get the stripe piece as well. So that's number 2. This one is number 3, which has like an autumn color to it. Oh my goodness me, you've done it again, haven't you? Do you know what? He was determined. Right, I'm gonna have to put you outside for a minute because I have to show this one and there is not enough room. I am gonna have to rethink everything as far as in this craft room. Right, okay, so this is number 3, which has this lovely autumn feel to it, and again you've got the leaves and then the stripes, a stripy piece. I love this, it's gorgeous color. So that's number 3, and then number 4 is this lovely beigey brown with lovely hues of brown, and it's got this flower piece and then this stripe piece. So you can choose from the covers, but the insides will be a lucky dip of assortment of goodies. So they are the front covers 1 to 4, just let me know. And each pack, this is what you will get, a variety of things in there. So let's go through this first. So paper wise, you have I think it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sheets of coffee dyed paper, and then there is a coffee dyed, and it's like ledger paper. This is just a cream piece of paper. You have a gorgeous this has a butterfly and then a flowered design on it, so you'll get one of those. You get that actually goes in the book pages, a coffee dyed one of these grid sort of papers, then a coffee dyed just lined piece. So you've got an assortment of coffee dyed papers. And then for book pages you have a large music page. These are not coffee dyed, they're just aged. A stamp album page, and then your various book pages will really have an assortment variety. So there will be a map page in there, Edith Holden page. Now some of these have been folded, some stamp book pages. These are just from an old book, and they've got lovely images on. Obviously these are going to vary, but you'll get the same amount of pages. This is the French dictionary, and we have a gorgeous glossy sort of picture. That's gorgeous, that one. Look at that. Then there's another Edith Holden, so each one will get 2 pages of Edith Holden. And then we've got a lovely floral one, which is a grip page. I have folded these in half for you already. And then there's this one here, which is this lovely old book, and it's 1920 something. So those are the book pages. And then, oh my, what have I done with them now? Okay, right, come back now. Right, we also have some A5 sort of size coffee dyed papers as well. And then, oh my gosh, we have quite an assortment here. So this is the fabric. In here you will all get some vintage lace, and there are just a couple of pieces here of vintage lace here. This is very old, so you've got a snippet of this lovely old piece, and then this is sort of an old runner as well. And then there's some coffee dyed fabric as well that you could put behind images. So this is just a coffee dyed piece of fabric. So those are the fabrics that you will get in there, apart from the front covers, of course. Then we also have oh, it isn't, you've also got a fabric snippet which you can use to make a belly band, or you could cut into tags and make some tags with. So each one has got a fabric snippet as well. And then I have put in some of these tea bags, and these have been coffee dyed, but I filled them up with goodies as well. So you have 2 large coffee dyed tea bags, and then 2 medium and 2 small. There's nothing in the small ones. Let's go through what's in these. So one of these has got a variety of vintage stamps. So you'll have like a handful of vintage stamps there to have some fun with. Put these in here. There is a really lovely variety of things in here. I've tried to include some things that I really love. So stamps I love. So that's full of stamps. Now this large one has die cuts from flower books. This is ones that I have actually sat and painstakingly cut out for you. So you've got an assortment of flower die cuts. Look at these. These are just gorgeous, and they're in various sizes. So I like that one. That's beautiful. Look, so you've got a variety of flower cutouts there. I've got that one, and these are just die cuts. I didn't sit and cut these ones out. There's some butterflies, and flowers and bits and pieces there. So you have a little variety of die cuts. I'm probably not going to be able to get them back in here. I've also included some vintage tea cards. Now these will vary, and so will the die cuts, obviously, because they don't have all the same. And then in here, this other large one, are some book page little pockets and tuck spots that I have already sewn for you. This one's got a 2 pocket, and that folds over like that, so you can hang a charm. Now I think these will vary, because I'm not sure if I have exactly the same as in, but you will have 4 different book page pockets of some sort, and these are just like little envelopes. The pockets or envelopes, and you can use those and decorate those up. So you've got 4 of those, and 2 coffee dyed index cards as well. So I've put you a couple of those in for you to have some fun with. And then each one will have some book page tags that I've already made, that I've got coffee dyed paper. So you'll get 2 of those, and you will also get one of my stamp tags that I've been making recently. So you'll get one of those, and you will get one of these. Gorgeous, I love these ones, made with the maps and the Tim Holtz people. So you'll get one of those as well. Then you'll get a cabinet card, or an old vintage. This isn't actually a cabinet card. I forgot what these are called now. The smaller ones have got a different name. So you'll all get, these are genuine photos, so you'll all get one of those included as well. A old envelope that has got stamps on, so you will all get one of those. They will obviously be different. Then you will all get a fabric pocket that you can use in your journal, and these, I have made these all myself, so you will all get one of those. And there are 4 vintage old postcards here. No, actually 6, I lie, 6 old postcards as well that you can decorate or cut up or do whatever you want with it. So as you can see, I have added a huge variety of goodies in this pack, and they are £20 each. All you have to decide is what cover that you would like. So that's what you would get. Everyone would get a variety of these things. And then your covers, you have the set, so you will get 2 fabric covers, so you can choose from what was it, one, which one was one? That was number 1, number 2, number 3, or number 4. So if you just tell me pink, purple, autumn, or beige, or pink, purple, autumn, or beige. So just let me know which one you would like, and I will get them posted to you. Obviously, if you're out of the UK, let me know, but they are £20 a pack, and that's including postage, so a real bargain. And it actually saves you hunting around for these things. So I hope that you will like that I've put together. Any suggestions or comments, just leave in the box below, and I'll see you all very soon. Take care. Bye bye.